Hi, kindergarten. How are you? We are practicing our story problems today. Today, you get to tell me, are we adding or subtracting? Some story problems are adding story problems and some are subtracting story problems. And you are going to help me figure out if I should add or subtract. We will also write down the equations. That's when we use numbers and symbols to show what happened. Okay, here's my first story. I built 3 snowmen. My neighbor came and built one more. How many snowmen are there now? Is this adding or subtracting? Let's find out. I had 3 snowmen. My neighbor built one more. Okay, so I have 3, and then we got another one. Another one joined. Another one was added. There's a good clue. Is this adding or subtracting? It's adding. You are right. It's adding. So 3 plus 1 equals the number at the end of the equation will tell us what happened at the end of the story. There are 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Later that afternoon, a big dog went running through our yard and knocked over my tiniest snowman. And he was gone. Is this adding or subtracting? Let me tell you the story again. Help me figure out, is this adding or subtracting? I had 4 snowmen. A big dog came and knocked one over. How many are left? It's subtracting. We took one away. Let's write this problem. I started with 4. I subtract 1, because that's how many the dog knocked over. And I have left 3. See? 1, 2, 3. Were you able to figure out that there were 3 left as well? Maybe you have the fact memorized. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Maybe you used your fingers and went 4, take away 1, there's 3. Maybe you counted backwards or used a number line. Doesn't matter how you get there, as long as you can solve the problem. Want to know how I did it? Well, I had just done 3 plus 1 equals 4. And the related fact is that 4 minus 1 equals 3. Because I have 2 parts and the whole number. When you subtract, you start with the whole. And I already knew one part, because that's what the dog knocked down. And I knew the other part, because I see here, these are my parts, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. They're the same parts, they're just in different places. That's a pretty cool way to do it. Those are related facts. Let me tell you another story. The next day, there were my 3 snowmen in the morning, and then my neighbors all got together, and we built 2 new snowmen, and we decided to build bigger ones this time. So we have 2 new bigger snowmen. All right. Is this addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Are we adding or subtracting? We're adding. We are adding because we had 3, and then 2 more were joined. 2 more were built. So let's write our problem. 3 plus 2 equals, how many is that? Pause the video and figure it out. Did you figure it out? Is it 5? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Maybe you have that fact memorized. Maybe you looked at the picture and you saw 3 and 2 and knew that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use the picture to count. Maybe you used your fingers. 3 and then 2 more. 1, 2. That's 5. However you did it, that's great. Okay. The next day was very sunny. I started with 5 snowmen in the morning, but by the afternoon, the sun had completely melted 2 of my snowmen. Oh no, how many snowmen am I left with? Is this an addition or subtraction problem? Let's think about it. Did more come or did some go away? If more comes, it's addition. Did more come? No, it's not addition. If some go away, that means it will be subtraction. 3 minus 2. They went away, so it's minus subtraction. Whew, okay. So I started my day with 5 snowmen. 5. And then 2 completely melted. I can put subtraction because we know that part already. 5 minus 2 equals, what is it? Pause the video and see if you can find out. Did you figure it out? It's 3. Did you use the picture? Did you use your fingers? 5 minus 2 is 3. Or did you use this related fact? We have 2 parts and a whole. And in subtraction, we start with the whole and the 2 parts. 3 and 2, 2 and 3. These are the parts. Awesome. There we go. Thanks for doing some addition and subtraction with these snowmen with me. You are awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye.